Hi, I'm Carol from You Can Cook. Today in the mail, I got the best delivery. I cannot wait to show you. Menmin Made is an AAPI small business. She turns watercolor art of Asian food into kitchen towels and stickers and prints. I picked 5 of my favorites: ginger garlic scallion, Asian veggies, Chinese takeout, dumplings, and Asian fruit, and some stickers. The waffle weave is super absorbent and the details are gorgeous. Her art just literally pops off the fabric. Let's take a closer look at this dish towel. Oh, it's really large. It's actually, I think I read that it's 19.6 inches by 27.5 inches. That'll be great looking hanging in the kitchen. Oh, I wish you guys could feel this. The waffle is super soft. This will be so great for drying wine glasses and champagne glasses. You know, another thing I really like is the edge is a very soft overlock, so that won't scratch dishes either. What else did I see? Oh, over here, there is a hang loop. This will look really good hanging from the hooks in my kitchen. I love this. Oh, it makes me want to get mangoes, and oh, we've got persimmons in the tree in the backyard. This is one of my favorites. This is rambutan. I have a post about that. Lychee. Now for my world famous quarter cup water absorbency test. Soaking in. Ta-da! You can find these at menminmade.com. I love supporting artists who celebrate Asian food and Asian culture. Go get them! They're great!
You can cook.